Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on an enlightening journey into the realm of conversational AI. If you've ever been curious about the magic behind those intelligent chatbots or virtual assistants, then you're in for a treat. We're diving deep into the marvel that is ChatGPT. So, buckle up and let's get started. First things first, what exactly is ChatGPT? It's not just another chatbot. Developed by the pioneers at OpenAI, ChatGPT is an advanced AI model designed to mimic human-like conversations. Imagine having a chat with a friend, but that friend is a highly intelligent machine. Whether it's for virtual assistants, customer support bots, or even intellectually. At its core, ChatGPT is built on a foundation of intricate algorithms and vast datasets, enabling it to generate text responses that are coherent, relevant, and sometimes, surprisingly witty. Now, let's delve into the secrets that can help you truly harness the power of ChatGPT. Secret 1. Context is king. ChatGPT thrives on information. The more context you provide, the clearer the picture you paint for the AI. Think of it as guiding a friend through a story. The more details you give, the better they understand and respond. So, always ensure you're clear and descriptive in your prompts. Secret 2. The power of training. Just like an athlete, ChatGPT gets better with training. By fine-tuning it with specific datasets and custom prompts, you can mold its responses to better suit your needs. It's like teaching a language to a child. The more words and context they're exposed to, the better they communicate. Secret 3. Embrace experimentation. The world of AI is vast and ever-evolving. Don't hesitate to play around with ChatGPT. Tweak inputs, adjust parameters, and test out different scenarios. It's through this iterative process that you'll discover the optimal settings for your unique use case. With these secrets in hand, the horizons of what you can achieve with ChatGPT are boundless. Envision chatbots that not only answer queries but understand emotions. Picture virtual companions that offer companionship and stimulating conversations. The future of conversational AI is here, and it's waiting for you to explore. So, are you ready to dive in and master the art of conversational AI with ChatGPT? The journey is as exciting as the destination. Thank you for venturing into the world of AI with us today. If this deep dive sparked your curiosity and you're eager to explore more tech wonders, hit that subscribe button. And remember, the future of conversation is just a chat away. Happy chatting!